Okay, let's learn how to create a carousel in your email builder. So go ahead and click into the email template you want to add a carousel to. And from there, you can drag in a new block or drag in new media to start building a carousel, or you can select media that already exists in your template and build one from there. So let's choose this section up here. We want to create a carousel out of this first image. So go ahead and click in the image. From there, go to the toolbar, click Add Carousel. Once you're here in your media files, you can choose the photos you want to include in your carousel. So let's go ahead and choose 3 photos for now. Click Add to Carousel in the bottom right. And from here, you can preview the images included in your carousel. When you're ready, you can go and download your email in HTML, and the carousel will export as a GIF, keeping your file size small. Let's go ahead and preview your email. You can see your download here. The size stays small. And there's your carousel in your email.